Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free of any dirt or debris. For the best results, you can use a cork underlay that's 2 or 3 millimeters thick. Install the boards at an angle from above, making sure the locking mechanism clicks into place properly. Add the next boards along the long edge at an angle from above, then slide them toward the short edge. Lock the short edge from above by pressing gently with your hand or carefully using a non-rebound hammer. To safely detach the panels, lift the entire row along the long edge at an upward angle, then move it away. To detach the panels along the short edge, simply slide them apart. Attention: never try to detach the panels along the short edge by lifting them up.